Welcome back. When you open your linen closets, you have to prepare for an avalanche of bath towels, bed sheets, and blankets. Well, wouldn't it be nice if that didn't happen? Our organization expert Laura Souders is back today to help us get it together and create a functional and organized closet. You know, Laura, we all want that, don't we?
Exactly.
And some of us really need it. So we tend to have so much in our linen closets. It's time to purge. How about donations? Is that something we can do even with old stuff?
Exactly. You can take the nicer stuff that just is a set that you don't really need. It doesn't match either towels or your bed sheets that don't match what you have, or maybe you changed sizes or pillow top and it doesn't fit. Take those to Mission Central or Community Aid, and then the older ones can go to pet shelters, or you can use them for rags.
Yeah, my wife has donated to pet shelters, and a lot of these we keep in our laundry room just for spills and things like that. Let's talk about storing sheets, though. They seem to be an issue too. How do we do that easily?
There's two ways you can store sheets. You can store them by the type of linen it is, by the pillowcase and the fitted sheet or the flat sheet, or you can store them by collection, like by the set. So here we have all that would go on one bed. And if you don't have enough room to actually put it in your linen closet, it's great to put it in the bedroom. It will go in.
Yes.
So you can store it there. So if you have a smaller linen closet, keep everyone's sheets in their own room. When we're doing the sheets too, the sheets and the towels, we fold them nicely. So as you had mentioned, we want to see the nice fold here. We want to see that nice fold. And you can keep them separated by using these shelf dividers. These are wonderful. It slips in. This one is made for wood. It slips in on a wood shelf, but there's also some made for plastic, so that when you stack up those towels and sheets, they stay in their area.
Okay, now what should we put on the bottom though? Towels or a fitted sheet? Fitted sheets are always tough to fold too. So fitted sheets are so hard to fold. In fact, I just started watching YouTube videos to fold them. There's a trick there.
There is a trick, but so you can go see one on YouTube. There's plenty of them. But the towels, either folding them or you can put them in baskets. So some people roll their towels. They like to roll them, either put it in a basket by the type it is, or just put it facing out so that you can grab the next one, and then you don't have to worry about them being all nice and lined up.
Correct. And then I might look at that and go, those towels are washcloths, and so labeling helps too, right?
Labeling, exactly. So in the front I have that those are hand towels so that we know. I have pillowcases, because when you open up that closet, that linen closet, to find a fitted sheet, you don't know if you have a queen size one or king size one and you're trying to find it. This way, not only do you know when you're pulling it out, when you've done the laundry and somebody's putting it back in, they know where to put it. We were able to get rid of a whole group of linens because we no longer have any twin beds in our house. Because our kids are too big. So we got rid of all the twin sheets, so they're all gone.
Out they go. Now what about off-season comforters? Those can be hard to store. What do you recommend for that?
Usually linen closets have a really tall shelf that you really can't put much up on. I like to store your out-of-season linens, especially those comforters or extra flannel sheets if it's summertime. Put them in one of these big Ziploc bags. They have huge ones. This isn't even the biggest. So if you have a huge comforter, you can put it in there. And to keep everything smelling fresh, I like to use dryer sheets. And put dryer sheets inside here. Put them in between your linens, and it keeps everything smelling nice and fresh.
That's an easy tip, and there you go. Perfect. Where did you get these at the store? I've never seen these.
These I got at Target.
Oh, wow. Okay. And then, you can keep a lot in there, I'm sure. But what a great idea. Laura, thanks so much. And now we can get it together in our linen closets.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Stay with us. We're coming back right after this.